Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a public profile. Start by picking a clear portrait and writing a short bio that highlights your role and audience. Next, add a location or niche keyword so people can find you. Choose consistent colors and a readable font for banners. Link to your main website or portfolio and double-check privacy settings so only intended details are visible. Finish by previewing your profile on mobile and desktop. In this video, I will explain how to set privacy and visibility for your public profile. Open Settings and select what information is public versus private, then restrict contact options as needed. Remove or obfuscate precise personal data like home addresses or phone numbers. Use two-factor authentication to secure the account and review connected apps for unnecessary access. Periodically audit posts and tags to ensure past content still fits your... In this video, I will help you create content and branding for a public profile. Start with a pinned post that briefly explains who you are and what followers can expect. Maintain a steady posting rhythm and reuse a visual template to build recognition. Use short bios and headlines that highlight benefits rather than features. Engage with comments and update your highlights or featured content to showcase recent work and trusted endorsements for social proof.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.